I'm going to show you how to fix your snowblower not working. In this case, the auger might not be shooting snow because one of the consumable parts, a shear pin, has broken to help protect the rest of the machine. So if you find this content helpful, please hit the subscribe button. So here we have an Airens snowblower. It's very common to other ones, but there's a lot of these that people use these days. And when you go and hit the auger control, not that much snow is coming out of the auger. And with the machine completely off, we can look at one side of the auger because there's two sides to the auger and they both have their own shear pin, which can break if you've hit a rock or it's too heavy of a snow. And what I'm doing now is verifying that the shear pin has broken because you can rotate it. You can rotate that left one, how we're looking at it now, and not the right one because the left one, the shear pin is broken. And I'll show you a close-up on that here. There is where the shear pin should be. You should see the bolt popping out and it has broken because there was a bunch of rocks or the snow was too heavy. And on the right now is the shear pin that has not broken. So only half of the auger was spinning to shoot the snow out, and it's not very effective when it's like this. So the shear pin actually connects the auger to the rotating mechanical axle of this. And we can see here the difference between a good one and a bad one. So we need to get the part that broke out of the bad shear pin out, and you just get a nice little punch like this with a hammer. And because I had this one inside and you can see the snow's melting a little bit, it came out super easy. This can be a little more difficult if you're in the snow still and it's freezing out, or if it broke in a more difficult way. But I already had a new one. You can just Google this, bought off of Amazon, replacement shear pins for your model snowblower. And you simply put it through the hole so that the auger is connected to then the rotating axle so that it throws all the snow possible out. And these are two 1/2-inch bolt heads. So if you can get two wrenches, one ratcheting wrench, it makes this go quicker. But any two 1/2-inch can work, and you can even use an adjustable if you needed to. The hardest part of this is usually punching the old one out, but it came out pretty effective or easily. And now you can see that this is now completely connected and that you can't move it, so it's all fixed. And now you can get back in the field and start snow blowing again. So you'll just need a couple 1/2-inch wrenches and a new shear pin. So if you found this content helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.